In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Apple Music. Whether you're a music lover or just looking to explore new tunes, subscribing to Apple Music on your iPhone is simple and rewarding. To start, open the Music app on your iPhone. You'll find the icon right on your home screen. Once you have the app open, tap on the Home tab. This is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, you might see a free trial or subscription offer if you're a new subscriber. Go ahead and tap on it. This offer is a great way to explore the service without any commitment. If you're curious about other options, tap on See More Plans. This will show you all available subscription plans. Apple Music offers several choices to suit different needs. You can choose an individual plan, which is perfect if you're subscribing just for yourself. There's also a family plan that allows you to share with up to 5 other family members. And if you're a student, you might be eligible for a student plan, which provides a discount. Now, once you've chosen your plan, you may be prompted to sign in with your Apple account. This step is crucial because it ensures that your subscription is linked to your account. Be sure to confirm your payment method and billing information. It's important to check that everything is correct to avoid any interruptions in your service. After confirming your details, tap Join to complete your subscription. You'll see a confirmation appear letting you know that your subscription is active. This step ensures that you're all set to start enjoying unlimited music. But what if you don't see a subscription offer in the Music app? No problem. You can subscribe through your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app on your phone, tap on Apps, then find and tap Music. From there, you'll see the option to join Apple Music. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your plan and complete your subscription. This alternative method is helpful if you didn't have the offer in the Music app initially. Now, speaking of available plans, let's quickly recap. Apple offers several subscription options to cater to a variety of users. There's the individual plan for personal use. The family plan is fantastic for sharing with family members. There's also the student plan, which offers a reduced rate for eligible students. Finally, there's Apple One, which bundles Apple Music with other Apple services for a more comprehensive package. These options give you the flexibility to choose what best fits your needs and budget. Remember, selecting the right plan can save you money and enhance your experience with Apple's ecosystem. With that ready, you're now equipped to dive into the world of music with Apple Music. Take your time exploring all the features available. From personalized playlists to exclusive content, there's so much to discover. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your new musical journey with Apple Music.